Hey everybody, welcome back to Cammy's backyard. I know it's been a while since I made a video, but I had to take about 2 weeks off due to illness. I'm feeling a lot better now, and I was able to finish this car. So this car was inspired by 60s era race cars. If you watch my Sim Race Chair video, you know that I'm a car fan and a race fan. This car wasn't supposed to be any specific car, it was just inspired by the 60s cars of the era. So let me show you how I made it. So that's it. And why make just one when you can make two? So we got the mid-engine version and the front-engine version. I had a lot of fun making these. I'm really proud of how they came out. Like I said, I'm a car nut, a car fan. They were just supposed to be representations. They weren't supposed to be that accurate, although it was quite tedious to make all these little suspension parts. But the wheels are my favorite though. Came out really cool. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you made it this far, thanks a lot for sticking around. We'll see you again soon in Cammy's Garage.